I'm Lamisi Moses from Nalergu community. I'm a visually impaired person. Today, I now got to know that if you are going to nurse your seeds, you have to heat the sun in order to kill the germs before nursing them. The women can benefit from it by getting our own vegetables to cook instead of going to the market to buy them. I would like to thank the Agrihouse Foundation. I will say God should give them long lives so that they will continue to feed us the knowledge in farming.